Title: Unlocking the Secrets to Lightning-Fast Keyboard Typing Speed. Introduction. In today's digital age, where communication and productivity heavily rely on keyboards, the ability to type quickly and accurately is an invaluable skill. Whether you're a student, a professional, or an avid writer, increasing your writing speed on a keyboard can enhance your efficiency, save valuable time, and boost your overall productivity. In this essay, we will explore various strategies and techniques that can help you unlock the secrets to achieving lightning-fast typing speed. 1. Master keyboarding fundamentals. Before diving into advanced techniques, it is essential to build a solid foundation in keyboarding fundamentals. Familiarize yourself with proper finger placement on the keyboard and develop a comfortable and ergonomic typing posture. Practicing touch typing, where you rely on muscle memory instead of looking at the keys, is crucial. Begin with proper hand placement on the home row and gradually progress to the rest of the keyboard. Developing a strong foundation will pay off in the long run. 2. Improve keyboard awareness. Building awareness of the keyboard layout and key placements is crucial for enhancing typing speed. Spend time memorizing the location of each key, allowing your fingers to glide effortlessly across the keyboard without needing to search for individual keys. Practice exercises and typing drills that focus on specific key combinations, gradually increasing complexity and speed. With time and practice, your fingers will instinctively find the right keys without any conscious effort. 3. Utilize keyboard shortcuts. Harnessing the power of keyboard shortcuts is a game-changer when it comes to boosting typing speed. Familiarize yourself with commonly used shortcuts for formatting, copying, pasting, and navigating within documents or applications. Most software programs and operating systems offer a wide range of keyboard shortcuts that can significantly expedite your workflow. Invest time in learning and utilizing these shortcuts, as they can save you countless keystrokes and enhance your overall typing speed. 4. Develop muscle memory. Building muscle memory is a key component in achieving high typing speed. Regular practice, preferably using typing tutor software or online typing courses, can help you reinforce finger movements and increase your muscle memory capacity. Engage in typing exercises that focus on speed, accuracy, and rhythm, gradually increasing the difficulty level. As your muscle memory improves, your fingers will automatically move to the correct keys, resulting in a significant boost to your typing speed. 5. Practice regularly and set goals. Consistency is vital in any endeavor, including increasing your typing speed. Set aside dedicated time for regular practice sessions to reinforce your skills and improve your speed. Establish specific goals, such as increasing your words per minute, WPM, or reducing errors, and track your progress over time. There are various online resources and typing games available that can make practice sessions enjoyable and engaging. 6. Maintain a growth mindset. Improving your typing speed requires patience and perseverance. Understand that progress may be gradual, and there may be setbacks along the way. Embrace a growth mindset, viewing challenges as opportunities for growth and improvement. Celebrate small victories and learn from mistakes. With consistent effort and a positive attitude, you will undoubtedly witness substantial improvements in your typing speed. Conclusion. Increasing your writing speed on a keyboard is an achievable goal with dedication and practice. By mastering the fundamentals, developing keyboard awareness, utilizing shortcuts, building muscle memory, practicing regularly, and maintaining a growth mindset, you can unlock the secrets to lightning-fast typing speed. Remember, typing speed is a skill that can benefit you in various aspects of life, improving your productivity and efficiency. So, seize the opportunity and embark on a journey to become a master of the keyboard. Happy typing!